Sankar Dev College menta kasi ka spotrik ujem mangkal penlong ya ka grand finale jong kata yo le kemen jong kala ni ka college week. Haka ni ka sngi la penya ya ka program da imes pi basio do ling bat imes da pi bahun ling do. La ai ka jingkren priang da I Dr. Yurika FP ling do ibalong I principal jong ka college. Ayo iki program ba pher kan thop ya ka jing pelat ya ka kot wat benya bat kongsan haka ni ka jing rakhi ulong uba Ardent basayo moy.
The overall condition of the college has led to the recognition of the National Assessment and Accreditation Council during its accreditation process and thereby awarding this college with Grade B status. That itself is a strong testimony of the effort you've put in, which is also a pride and honor to the management. We know that we are living in a changing world, and there are many changes that have taken place right before us. For example, during the British rule, students were taught to be clerk in the offices and for white-collar jobs only. Subsequently, students were taught to be doctors, to be engineers, to be lawyers, to be professors, civil servants, scientists, etc. In the recent times, efforts are being made by educational institutions, as has been displayed by the college, to provide vocational courses to students besides general studies. In order to address the rising rate of unemployment problem, which is why even this college has undertaken many initiatives to incorporate skill development courses to ensure that students are employable after their studies, which deserve appreciation from all concerned. I am reminded of our college times and a kind of a situation in the field of education, especially in the higher levels. I remember that at a point in time, this college was one of the colleges which had been considered as the last choice by many students, since most of the students would prefer to get admission in some other renowned colleges. However, today, the college, which was once ignored, is now seen a tremendous change and reached a remarkable position. No one can dispute and no one can deny the fact that the growth of this college has been by leaps and bounds. This has been made possible due to the hard work, dedication, and sacrifice made by the leadership of this college, both the past and the present, together with the collective responsibility of all the stakeholders. It is learned that this college is now equipped with good infrastructural facilities, like the 4-story building, which comprises different components like the classroom, staff room, science laboratory, the library, the multi-facility block, the auditorium, and many more.